Oh, I think it's fantastic to be here. I think it somehow seemed peculiar that Bangalore was one of the, and now there are literary festivals all over the place, but Bangalore hadn't had one of its own because it's a city that seems perfect for a literary festival. It's got you know, a mixed population, so you know it welcomes, it's quite a welcoming sort of city. It's got readers, you know, people who are by and large urbane, educated, of a certain intellectual standing. It's got so many writers living here. I mean, that was the other thing which made it sort of peculiar. You had, I would see these writers, some of the Bangalore writers, in far-flung festivals. I was in South Africa at a festival in Johannesburg, and Mahesh Dattani was there, and Jeet Thayil was there, and I thought, why should, you know, why are all of us being carted across to these sort of distant places when you know, some of our own cities don't have, and cities where we live don't have festivals. So when a group of writers kind of get together and just decide over coffee one day to set up a festival of their own, I think the kind of energy that comes to a project like that is unmatchable. So it's, I mean, it's in, obviously in the nascent stages. It needs to grow a little bit more. From what I can see, it doesn't need necessarily at this point in time to grow in terms of number of authors. We've got, I saw about 80 author pictures on the board that I signed this morning. Audiences also have been, I mean, I was surprised that people, yesterday evening was an evening, so I thought, well, they've all turned up to hear Gulzar Saab and possibly Chetan Bhagat, who followed. But I thought, who's going to come in the morning? Let's have a, you know, I'm not sure whether people come for my session on a Sunday morning. But again, the tent seems full. It's just quite sort of gratifying, but and yet not surprising for Bangalore. You would kind of expect that of a city like this. And I mean, who can ask for a nicer setting than, you know, the sort of soft sunshine and the old trees and bird song.